The Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out as an impressive solution for both commuting and recreational riding. With its powerful 1200W motor and sleek design, this e-bike offers an exhilarating experience while maintaining the utility needed for everyday travel. After testing it extensively, I can confidently say that the Qlife bike is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and enjoyable ride. One of the most striking features of the Qlife bike is its robust 1200W peak motor, which delivers a top speed of 25 miles per hour. This capability makes it suitable for urban commuters who need to bypass traffic and reach their destinations quickly. The electric motor provides an ample amount of torque, enabling smooth acceleration. Whether you're starting from a standstill or navigating uphill, the bike responds promptly, making it easy to handle varying terrains. This is especially beneficial in city environments where stops and starts are frequent. The battery life is another highlight of the Qlife. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers an impressive range of approximately 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode you choose and the terrain. This means you can confidently embark on longer rides without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery is removable, which adds convenience, allowing you to charge it indoors or easily swap it out for a spare during longer excursions. In terms of design, the Qlife Electric Bike is both modern and functional. The frame is sturdy, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which offers durability without adding unnecessary weight. Weighing around 70 pounds, it may feel a bit heavy for some, but the weight distribution is designed well, making it manageable even for those who might not have a lot of upper body strength. The bike's aesthetics are appealing too, with a sleek frame and minimalist components that give it a high-end look. Comfort is a critical factor for any bike, and the Qlife does not disappoint. The bike features a well-padded seat with an ergonomic design that provides ample support, even on longer rides. The adjustable handlebars also contribute to the overall comfort, allowing riders to find their ideal position. Additionally, the front suspension fork absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven surfaces, enhancing ride quality significantly. This feature is particularly advantageous for mountain trails or city streets riddled with potholes. Safety has been well addressed in this design. The Qlife Electric Bike comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, which is essential, especially when navigating busy streets or steep descents. Coupled with the reflective elements on the bike, you can ride confidently at night, knowing that you are visible to other road users. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its versatility. The Qlife is designed for both city commuting and off-road adventures, making it an all-in-one solution for various riding styles. The 26-inch wheels are coupled with durable tires that offer excellent grip on multiple terrains, from paved roads to rugged trails. This versatility makes the Qlife suitable not just for commuters but also for weekend warriors who enjoy exploring nature or hitting the local trails. The bike's digital display is another noteworthy feature. It provides critical information at a glance, such as speed, distance, battery level, and the selected pedal assist level. This feature allows riders to monitor their performance and manage their battery usage effectively, an important aspect for those who plan to take longer routes. On the downside, while the Qlife Electric Bike offers a lot of value, it may not be budget-friendly for everyone. The initial investment is higher than traditional bicycles, which could be a deterrent for some. However, when considering the long-term savings on commuting costs and the potential health benefits of cycling, the price may well justify itself. In conclusion, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults impresses with its powerful motor, extended battery life, and thoughtful design. It provides a comfortable and safe riding experience, making it a fantastic choice for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. While it comes with a higher price tag, the quality and versatility make